Desserts are more than just sweets. They tell stories of culture, tradition, and indulgence. From the rich layers of tiramisu to the crispy bite of churros, desserts around the world bring joy to every occasion. Whether you love creamy, chocolatey, fruity, or flaky treats, this list of the top 30 most famous desserts in the world will take you on a journey through some of the most delicious confections ever created. Which dessert is your favorite? Have you tried them all? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering food explorations. 30. Pastel de nata, Portugal. A classic Portuguese custard tart with a crispy, flaky puff pastry shell and a creamy egg-based filling. 29. Basbousa, Middle East and North Africa. A semolina cake soaked in sugar syrup, flavored with rose or orange blossom water. 28. Black Forest cake, Germany. A rich chocolate cake layered with whipped cream and cherries. 27. Lamingtons, Australia. A traditional Australian sponge cake coated in chocolate and rolled in desiccated coconut. 26. Gulab Jamun, India. A deep-fried milk-based dough ball soaked in sugar syrup infused with cardamom and rose water. 25. Alfajores, South America. A dulce de leche-filled sandwich cookie, popular in Argentina, Peru, and Uruguay. 24. Banoffee pie, United Kingdom. A British dessert featuring layers of bananas, caramel, and whipped cream set on a buttery biscuit crust. 23. Pavlova, New Zealand and Australia. A meringue-based dessert with a crispy outer shell and a soft, marshmallow-like center, topped with whipped cream and fresh fruit. 22. Mochi, Japan. A chewy Japanese rice cake made from glutinous rice pounded into a sticky paste, then shaped into small rounds. 21. Baklava, Turkey and Middle East. A flaky, multi-layered pastry made with phyllo dough, chopped nuts, and soaked in honey or syrup. 20. Cheesecake, worldwide. A creamy, rich dessert made from cream cheese, eggs, and sugar set on a buttery biscuit crust. 19. Malva pudding, South Africa. A warm, spongy, caramelized pudding made with apricot jam and soaked in a creamy butter sauce, typically served with custard or ice cream. 18. Brigadeiro, Brazil. A chocolate truffle-like confection made with sweetened condensed milk, cocoa powder, and butter, rolled in chocolate sprinkles. 17. Sticky toffee pudding, United Kingdom. A moist sponge cake made with finely chopped dates, covered in a rich toffee sauce, and served with custard or ice cream. 16. Churros, Spain and Latin America. Deep-fried dough sticks, crispy on the outside and soft inside, rolled in sugar and cinnamon, often served with thick hot chocolate for dipping. 15. Cannoli, Italy. A Sicilian pastry consisting of crispy, fried tubes filled with sweet ricotta cheese, chocolate chips, and citrus zest. 14. Flan, Spain and Latin America. A silky caramel custard dessert with a smooth, creamy texture and a rich caramelized topping. 13. Soccer torta, Austria. A dense chocolate cake layered with apricot jam, coated in a thick chocolate glaze, and typically served with whipped cream. 12. Tres leches cake, Latin America. A sponge cake soaked in 3 types of milk, evaporated, condensed, and whole milk, creating a moist, creamy texture. 11. Tiramisu, Italy. A coffee-flavored Italian dessert made with layers of mascarpone cheese, coffee-soaked ladyfingers, cocoa powder, and sometimes a splash of rum. 10. Apple pie, United States. A classic American dessert featuring spiced apple filling inside a buttery, flaky crust, often served with ice cream. 9. Millefeuille, France. A French pastry with layers of flaky puff pastry, pastry cream, and powdered sugar, also known as the Napoleon. 8. Profiteroles, France. Light choux pastry puffs filled with cream or custard drizzled with chocolate sauce. 7. Kulfi, India. A denser, creamier version of ice cream made with slow-reduced milk, cardamom, and nuts. 6. Red velvet cake, United States. A vibrant red cocoa-flavored cake, layered with cream cheese frosting, known for its moist, velvety texture. 5. Gelato, Italy. A richer, denser version of ice cream, made with less air and more intense flavors, available in classic varieties like pistachio, chocolate, and stracciatella. 4. Macarons, France. Colorful, delicate French almond meringue cookies, sandwiched with buttercream, ganache, or jam fillings. 3. Brownies, United States. A chewy, chocolatey baked square, often enriched with nuts or chocolate chips, served fudgy or cakey. 2. Crème brûlée, France. A creamy vanilla custard dessert with a crispy caramelized sugar crust, torched to perfection. 1. Chocolate cake, worldwide. A decadent, moist chocolate cake, rich in flavor, often paired with ganache, buttercream, or chocolate shavings. And that concludes our list of the top 30 most famous desserts in the world. From the comforting warmth of sticky toffee pudding to the refreshing taste of Italian gelato, each dessert carries a unique flavor and history. Which dessert do you think deserves the #1 spot? Did we miss any of your favorites? Tell us in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more delicious content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next sweet adventure.